So let's just play some games and I mean, Baba hindi naman as in Blade Quest. Oh no. Let's create. So let's go forest. Oh, we can get some blades.
What the fuck was that?
Okay, we can. Let's just do easy and create. Let's see who joins. Cause I really need something. I really need some people. Or let's go. Should we start? Yeah, let's start. Here we go in the forest. Okay, go. Let's go. This is actually kind of cool. Yeah, let's go. Kill them. I have one move for this. It's actually so good. The damage is so good. Damage! Come on, damage it! Yeah! We're next. We're on the sprouts. Okay, go. Oh no! Yes! Go. Just press E. Nice. Nice. There. Oh, you killed him. I did. I'm about to die. I'm literally in 30 HP. Oh my god. I'm just rushing the game right now. Okay. Oh no, I'm at 20%. 20 health. Okay, go. Oh no, I died. Okay, at least you respawn here. Okay, go. Kill! Yeah! Ooh! I'm just waiting for the skill because it just one-shots them. Ooh, nice. Level 3. Nice. Go kill. Yeah! Next. We're on the sprouts. Oh, is that the sprouts? Yeah, it's sprouts. 1, 2, 3. We done. We're done with this area. Yeah, let's bring them all here. Yeah, here. Yeah. 1v1. Kill. Nice. Go next. I'm just waiting for my skills. E. Is this the... Oh no. I thought it was something else. I thought it was the boss. Nice. Let's see if it one-shots. It doesn't. But at least we get... yeah, damage. Okay, that's enough damage, right? Nice! The other.
What the fuck was that?
I'm about to die! No! Nice! Next. Nice. I don't have speed, so I'll just use my move. Nice, they all died. 20 health again. I mean 21. Nice. Oh, I'm in 1 health! No! Yes! We're on the queen area. Nice! Kill the queen. Okay, I was so focused I didn't even have the chance to talk. So let's just do it again. I died! Wow!
Run.
Go. Okay, let's just damage. I don't care about our health. Yeah, we tanked it. Let's go. Nice. We got one. Oh my god. Okay. I think we could buy a blade. So that's the inventory. Where's the shop? Okay, there. The shop is here. Should I buy it, guys? Yeah, we should do it. Yeah, let's go. We got something good. Ah, that's so good. We have. Okay, let's see this. We got to get more kills. How do you enchant one? Oh, it's at the upgrade room. Okay. Enchant. Also, you just. Oh, here. Okay. How do you get those? That's the problem. Can you sell here? Oh yeah. Okay, we can sell the two. Oh, it does so much damage. It gets coins. Okay, where do you get more of those? That's what I want to know. Oh, double XP. Okay, we should really go now.
Run.
Double H. Yeah, let's go. Should we do medium? Nah, I don't want to go. There, let's do medium. Let's see. Forest medium. Who wants to join? Join right now. Okay. Should we start? I didn't start. Sure, let's just start the game. Oh no, he didn't join. Oh, there you go. Okay, go. Nice. We got him. Okay, go next. We just E. Next. Go. Oh! Dude, what was that move? Nah! He's so good. He played the game for a while right now. Look at that ground slam, man. Nice. What? Okay, next. Nice. He killed that. Next. Nice, go. Go. Kill him. Yeah. Next. Next. Oh. Oh, dude. Okay. We got it now.
Gotta go fast.
Okay, I leveled up, so I healed. Nice, we're at level 5. Wow. Nice. We're almost at the ending right now, bro. Next. Okay. We almost got that. I do my skill. Kill. Nice. Oh no! It's the big goal. Kill. Yeah. Let's go. Next.
Headshot.
I'm literally at 36. I'm almost gonna die because of this. There, go, 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 go. Nice. Nice, level 6. Next, next, next. These little guys right here. Next is the boss, right? Yeah, look at the honeycomb. Just damage the queen. I'm literally not dodging. Why am I not dodging?
Run.
Nice! Let's go. Ooh, level 6. But does it do more damage? That's what I'm looking for. Damage. Okay, okay. Ooh! So let's see. How do you get more of those things? That's what I'm looking. Why?
Houdini.
Where do you get it? Here? Nah, not here.
Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster.
Here, how about here? Nothing here? Nothing here. But let's just upgrade. And let me see the damage. The overseer is much better though.
Houdini.
This one is level 25. So what is in there? Toy World. Oh, it's this one. Okay. Dragons, then college, endless. Oh, this one is endless. So let's just do more of this. Can we do no. Okay, let's see if somebody joins. No one's joining, so let's just start the game. Okay, next round. Okay, here. Okay, next. Okay, next. Here, we just do E. Then they're dead.
Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast.
C.
Gotta go faster, 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 faster.
They're just weak. They're weak for me. They're weak. Here. Nice. Killed. Next. Next is here. We just press E. Nice. They're dead. Here. Just E.
Run.
Here you. Nice. Here. Almost done here. Nice.
Not up in here!
What level are we? Oh, we're level 7. Nice, we're done here. We go E. One-shotted. Okay. We got it. Next. This area, okay. E, go faster, yes. Next.
Headshot.
Almost dead. Kill. I think it's just these two and then I can level up, so I don't want to die. Nice. I leveled up.
Run.
Nice. Here. Okay. Oh. Nice. Okay, almost. This one. We're almost done here. We E. Next. Oh, it's gonna die again. We just E and then go.
Gotta go fast.
Maybe.
Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster.
Nice. Oh. I still get damage. Nice, let's go, we beat it. And I got a level 6 rusted sword that is no. And then let's draw to end this video. Oh, I don't have money. Oh. No. How about the level? You cannot do anything. How about magic? Okay, so that's all for today. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe the video to be informed about the next videos coming in the future. Thank you. Bye bye.